Have you ever spent hours just trying to find a movie to watch? Like, you're finally free, right? You open Netflix and then you're like, what's trending? What's good? But nothing feels right. You have this very specific test and you can just watch anything. Well, that's me, and that is the origin of this application. One weekend I was struggling, friends were giving me boring suggestions, and I was like, damn, why is it so hard to find a movie that fits my vibe? Yo, I literally spent 6 hours trying to find a movie that I could watch. And then it hit me. I'm a developer. Why not build an app for that? So the idea came, and I did. An app that you can just pour what you feel, what you want, and the moment, boom, you get movies. And thanks to AI, TMDB, and Flutter, I made that a reality. And so far, it has been 2 weeks of building, and honestly, I've never felt more excited. And so, I wanted to share it with y'all to see what you think, get feedback, and maybe hear what you'd want in an app like this. And if you like me, you can just take a quick look at what this app can do so far. And if you like it, oh, wait, no, if you love it, let's talk. Okay. So our application has two sections, okay, three actually. We have the hero section over there. We have the popular films, we have the top rated films. And all this data is coming from TMDB, so it's accurate. Like it's accurate. And if we like pull our screen down, it will refresh and show the latest data. Anyways, and when you click on the hero section on the watch trailer button, you can watch the trailer of this particular movie that you've clicked, and then down there it will give you recommended movies, like the movies that the algorithm feels like, yo, this brother can really enjoy this movie since he enjoyed this other one. Then we also have movies with a similar vibe. Those ones they try to look at those like the overall feel of a movie, the thrill of it, and so they suggest you which movies that you might like also if you like this one. And about the trailer, you can watch the trailer over there, so you just click on play. The trailer plays. There's another feature that I'm still yet to work on. The other feature that I make to work on is the more videos. So the more videos are just like listing the videos related to this particular film. It can be behind the scenes, some short snippets of, say, let's say parts of the movie, maybe interviews or something. Yeah, all that embedded inside there. So that is work in progress at the moment. And yeah, so like it is that way. So like this section is just the same as the other one, but only that this is top rated movies of the top rated of all times, by the way, and this is the popular movies. So popular is they're being categorized according to the date of which they're being released. And another cool feature, okay, not okay, yeah, the cool feature that made me like build this application in itself is a AI recommendation actually. So like the iMovie assistant, what it does, you you prompt to it what movie you like to watch. Like, yeah, just tell me what you're feeling and I will handle the movies for you. So we have these two sections. The first one is the preset chips. So the preset chips, you can all you need to do is just click on them. Let's say we want to click on the feel good rom-coms. Even when you click on them, it will load. As you can see down there, it has already taken up the text area field, and it's now loading. So, and it's showing you the results of this particular category. So like these are the feel good rom-com movies. Yeah, so maybe you want sad romance, the same thing applies. It basically takes up the input field and takes the value, and then AI searches for movies based on that particular prompt. So yeah, now we have The Notebook, A Walk to Remember, Blood and Steel, and just like the other ones in the homepage, you can still click on them. You can watch the trailer, you can view more videos, and you can see the recommended movies or movies with a similar vibe. Okay, nice. So then next we have the explore screen. Now the explore screen, what it does, it comes with chipsets, like preset chips of categories by genres. So like when you click a genre, let's say horror movies, it fetches the horror movies and then it lists them for you down there. So if you want to see all, you just click on see all and it shows you in a grid format, not in the slide, horizontal slideshow. Yeah, so that is how you exploit by genre. Watch list, what watch list does is like you're now perusing through movies, not actually watching them, but you want an idea of a movie you can watch. So what a watch list does is like when you find a movie that you're interested in watching, you can create a watch list, kind of like how a playlist works when you're listening to songs. So like a watch list is like this particular movie I want to watch in this particular day under this particular category. So you give it all the definitions and stuff. Yeah, but I'm yet to work on it, so like it's a coming soon feature. Then we have the setting screen also, and finally, okay, not finally per se, search it works, but it's not perfect yet. We have toggle dark mode, yeah, and I've just through building this application, I was starting with light mode, and I made sure to love light mode as much as I could, because yes, I don't know if it's most users, but most users use dark mode. But I wanted it to look good in light mode, since if I nail the light mode part, dark mode won't be much of an issue. Of which that didn't disappoint me, because and you gotta love Flutter, by the way. Like the theming is just out of this world. So you can just see how these movies are listed over there, and we have top rated. You can see how the AI assistant screen looks like and how the colors just blend themselves. So yeah, I think so far this is what we have. There's more to come to this, so I just wanted to share y'all a glimpse of what this thing is doing, and also what I'm working on behind the scenes. So if it excites you, if it's something that you really want to contribute to, reach out, comment, and I won't mind. Let's build this together. Let's tag along.